Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be unboxing and coloring on the Color and Create Rainbow High doll. So let's get her out of box. So here she is out of the box. I'll start by showing you the doll. So she has really light blue and purple eyes, and I really like the hair color. I actually really like it as just the white, so I probably won't do any permanent customizing. And these shoes have little gold details. There's gold buckles on that, and then these have little gold details as well. I do kind of wish she came with a second bottom, like a skirt or something, but that's just my own opinion. And then these are what you stick inside the clothes for coloring on, and they have like little, I'm not sure what the thingy these are printed in, but there's like, I think this says Rainbow High on her pant leg, and then, you know, sparkle and rainbow on there. And she has a little hair scrunchie thingy. Anyway, I will be coloring on her as well as a couple of my other dolls right after I wash her hair because it's very crunchy. So I'll do that in a bit. Okay, so I've gotten her hair washed, and now I'm ready to begin coloring on her clothes. And I have a couple other dolls whose hair I'll be coloring. I'll be doing my Eliza and Natasha because she has all white, and then the streak in my short-haired Shanelle's hair. And so I'm gonna start on that, and hopefully you enjoy watching me color. Okay, so I'm done coloring them, so I will show you all the coloring I did, starting with the Color and Create girl, who I've decided to name Lily. So I colored a streak to match her hair, and I did blue and purple. And you can't tell, I don't think they did too much blending when I colored over them, but when I did Natasha's hair, I discovered that when you color over the green of the blue, you get a pretty turquoise. Anyway, her shirt, I wanted to try and go for a bit of a galaxy. Did not turn out very galaxy looking. And the green is supposed to be because I was thinking like the Aurora Borealis. Didn't turn out the best, but the pants, I think it did better. The galaxy, like of the stars, and then I did little stars in the pockets. And I did that green stripe as the belt, kind of like still wanted to incorporate a bit of what I felt like an Aurora Borealis. And I didn't color these shoes because I discovered when coloring these shoes that the pens do not stay to the plastic and just come off on your finger. Also, when you're coloring, your fingers will get very colored on and do not wash out as easily. So it's washable markers for everything but your skin. Anyway, then for the other shirt, I decided to do a more fire color scheme because I wanted to actually use all the pens. And then the red and orange and yellow kind of will blend together with each other a bit. So you kind of get slight, where they overlap, you get a slight mixing of it. Can't tell too much on that. And with Eliza, so I gave her a red and with a bit of purple streak because her eyes they're actually Monique's eyes, and so I did that to bring out those colors, and the tiny blue streak to bring out just her blue. And then with Natasha, it is based on her eye color, so I did green and blue, and then this is where I colored the blue over the green, and it is a really pretty turquoise. It also happens to match her outfit well. And then my short-haired Shanelle, initially I was just going to go with purple. But I decided, you know what, I've been doing a lot of purple with them, so I did purple and orange to match her Halloween color-schemed outfit, because I haven't changed her outfit, but it's harder to tell on here, the purple, but she has the Halloween color streaks. And so these are the Color and Create. I will say it is definitely a fun experience, but you will get your hands colored on a bit, and I used a cereal box as a mat, but very fun. We'll definitely enjoy coloring on them more. Hopefully this stuff actually washes out. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.